Konnect review. Hey my friends, and welcome back. This is Kieran Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Konnect. Konnect is a software that is all about webinars and meetings, all done for you. There are done for you templates, there are video conference templates and meetings. It is a one-time shop, no more monthly fees. Forget about Zoom and all the other things that start to add up after a while. I do have members access, guys, but they're having a temporary glitch in their website. So I'm going to do my review, and hopefully later I can show you the members access. I will add that on to the back of this video. But first, just let me take you to my bonus page, guys. So this is going to go live on May 15th at, so this is going to go live on May 15th at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, that is New York time, with the front end of $17, but there is a coupon for $2 off, so you'll be getting it for $15. Also, they've got some 20 exclusive bonuses that I'm going to be showing you, plus some other ones, and my bonuses, which really complement Konnect, plus my mega bonus bundle of 100 bonuses.
No way!
Yes, that is right, all for you for free. So my friends, let's check everything there is out about Konnect, and I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. All right, let me take you here to my bonus page. So guys, this is going to stay up until 11:59 Eastern Standard Time, New York time. That is Wednesday, May 18th. So you've got about 3 days and 22 hours to research more, check out my bonus page and everything that Konnect has to offer. But basically, guys, it is a cloud-based technology where you can have unlimited done for you webinars, video conferences, and meetings. So if you really want to brand yourself, get your information out there to other people, webinars are a fantastic way that you can really skyrocket your overall reputation and your information and getting yourself out there, etc. All right. So guys, what is Konnect all about? Okay, so as you know, it is state-of-the-art with online meetings, webinars, and sends out lots of traffic to high-ticket offers as well, guys. And it is comprehensive, next-generation auto mails, the hottest converting offers, have amazing video quality webinars and podcast, end-to-end security, one-time fee forever. Okay, no monthly fees, newbie friendly, and they have a lot of training as well. All right, my friends, here is the price and the upsells. Hey, my friends, so I have review access to Konnect. However, I'm not on my computer, I'm on my phone, so I'm just going to do it here. Now, there is a quick tour here. Let's just try the tour next. So type anywhere to search and press escape key to hide search overlay. Next. User profile related options and actions. And live chat, open live chat messaging box. Okay. So let's just stop that. So live chats, of course, we have no live chats yet, right? And if we need it, so here we have a group, we have a person. So we can tap the name of the group and the user in the platform to this chat group. Okay. And type and press enter to search. Okay, so upcoming meetings, so it has a calendar here so you can keep everything up to date. And hosted meetings, so 2 hosted meetings today. Attended meetings, so 0 attended, of course, because this is just, it's brand new and it is just for members access. And instant meetings, like so. Okay, so hello JV Access, Sunday 15th. So we can all clear, nothing to show. Here's a chart of the meetings. Of course, there's going to be no meetings before or after. And guys, this is what it's looking like on the phone. They'll look a little bit different on the computer. So we have the dashboard, the instant meetings, meetings, segments, contacts, and tools. Okay. So the meetings, if I go there, so we can enter a new meeting, add the meeting like so, and segments. We can add a new segment. We can print, export as PDF, export as CSV, and export as an Excel sheet. Contacts, all our contacts are going to be in here. Obviously, there are no contacts at the moment. And to-dos. So we can keep a tally of everything that needs to be done as well. Add new. All right. Okay, guys, so that was just a quick demo of Konnect on my phone. So if I was at my computer, I would be doing it, but as you can see, it is also very user-friendly on phone as well. All right, my friends, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section. Take care, and I'll get back to the rest of the review of Konnect. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Let me take you now to my bonuses that I tailor customed for Konnect. So my first one is Continuum. This is another webinar type software where you can do very similar things. So I want to give this to you as like a backup as well. It has the same thing. It has traffic, it has templates, it has done for you opt-in pages as well, and you can also host your own webinars, your own video conferences, etc. Absolutely free if you just click on this link here. All right, so very similar. I wanted to give that to you just so you have more firepower, more arsenal in your webinar services. Okay, next one, guys, is completely different, but it's a way that you can make money on the side. So who doesn't want to make money on the side, right? Now, guys, this is all about the Bitcoin price. If you've been studying Bitcoin recently, it's been in kind of a free fall, but this is a system that regardless of what the price is, you can still make money. In fact, that's the whole beauty of it. It doesn't matter what the price is. You can make $300 to $500 daily with crypto without investing a penny. Very important, okay? All the training is in there and it's absolutely free. Next one I'm offering is TweetX. This is launched by my friends and good buddies, Bill Ang, Sid Red, and Saurabh Gopal. This is a Chrome extension where you can, on autopilot, send out hundreds and hundreds of tweets to your specific affiliate site, anything that you want your audience or anyone to know about you, an upcoming event, a launch, etc. And it's all on autopilot. Very easy. The training in here is very easy as well. Those guys are really trustworthy and it's a great product. Next one, guys, is CPA Underground Profits. So once you start to build up your email list, you can use CPA networks. You can get them to work with you and your audience if they can complete some simple tasks like giving their name, maybe their email address or their phone number, or completing a quick survey. You can make passive money as a result. And it might be anywhere from 50 cents to $2 per person in your audience that does that. But once you build it up, that can be some excellent passive income, absolutely, for doing nothing. All right, my friends. So I think you're going to get value from that too. And guys, this is my Kieran's Mega Bonus Bundle, 100 amazing bonuses for free.
Groovy, baby.
Yes. Okay. So guys, lots and lots of value here, plus the vendor bonuses as well. I mentioned 20 exclusive bonuses. I'll show you what they are too. So guys, to get that, all you're going to want to do, click on the sales page, like so. You're just going to go down, click on their button here, and it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. And here is the $2 drop down window. Okay, so it'll take you to Warrior Plus. This button here is where you're going to access my bonuses and their bonuses. Once you do that, it'll take you over here, and you can see I've got all my bonuses here waiting for you. So if I click on my Mega Bonus Bundle, you're going to see just all of them here. So you've got everything. You've got YouTube how-tos, you've got Facebook how-tos, Instagram, TikTok, other ones, Reddit. You've got other things like videos, PDFs, how to get more traffic, how to get more commissions. You've got other things where if you want to be doing things like creating clothing brands, Teespring, you've got WordPress plugins, you've got all kinds of training, guys, that you can use. You can get that knowledge, you can keep it, and then you can also give it away to other potential audience members as well. You can do with it what you want, but there's tons and tons of value in here. And if I take you to the exclusive bonuses that they are offering, you're going to get all of these things here. You're going to get 100 split tests, affiliate link defender, article rewriter pro, all of these, boom, 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 boom. 20 of them, guys. So you're getting a lot of value from me and the gentlemen, Dan Aschendorf and Eve's, I forgot Eve's last name, excuse me. I'll get that to you guys in a minute. All right, so you're getting a lot of value, okay? So guys, let me take you, just one moment here. And this is me, this is Kieran G. Hogg, this is my website. This is where you can find me, guys. And if you have any questions about making money online or affiliate marketing, please, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you click on that website there, you can have extra training and see how you can be an elite affiliate, and I will also give you my free training right down there as well. Guys, let me take you now to the sales page. All right, so guys, all this stuff, so create unlimited webinars, as you know, easy, one-time fee, works smoothly, 100% newbie friendly. You get it for 30 days. Here is a little video, introduction video about it. You can check that out. And guys, very easy. So you log in, you create, and you profit. Now, wondering what major webinar platforms charge monthly or far for below per services. So you got all of these here, guys. Look at this, GoToWebinar, $199 a month, $259 a month, $499 a month, goes on and on and on. $14.99 a month. Zoom is probably the one that most people are familiar with, but when you want to, so if I take you to Zoom, here it is, so it's free, but if you have more than 100 people attending your webinar, then you have to bump up to this, okay? Now, all these other ones are more suited to higher end webinars, right? So these guys focus more on that, but look at some of these numbers here, $199 a month, $59 a month, $50 a month, $42 a month. So that starts to add up for it after a little while, right? If you're not doing a ton of webinars, there's no point spending all these monthly fees, which is why Konnect or my bonus continuum, you can use those as well. Okay, so let's continue to go down, guys. We've got some financial proof. So $1,464.05 yesterday, $508 this month, $10,133. That's fantastic. Okay, here we have some testimonials. Guys, I'm just gonna kind of skip through this. You can check this out more on your own time. I don't wanna waste too much of your time here. Let me just take you down and see if there are extra bonuses that you can get on top of the exclusive bonuses that I already showed you. There's some more financial proof. Okay guys, so we have extra bonuses here. So ClickBank Converter. This powerful WordPress plugin produces affiliate link banners from the ClickBank marketplace on your website, posts, and pages. When something clicks through and purchases, you earn big. Next one, get 10,000 views on YouTube. So the perfect addition to Konnect. This ebook will show you 14 surefire ways to explode your views and subscriber count in no time at all. Social Traffic Rush. Boost your Konnect results with a rush of targeted traffic from YouTube and 9 other platforms. Sales Ninja Pro. Be prepared for live scarcity on steroids. This software will ensure that your sales go through the roof by applying scarcity counters to your pages. And again, guys, 90-day guarantee. We have the same testimonials, some frequently asked questions. Okay, I'm going to take you now to my bonus page once again, and we're going to check out the prices, the upsells, and which ones might be beneficial for you. Okay, so as you know, the front end is $17, but with that $2 discount, it's going to be $15. Okay, so you're going to access all of my bonuses, all the vendor bonuses that you saw. So you're going to get the exclusive and the other ones that are on the sales page as well. And you're going to get the next generation software, which generates online meetings and webinars and sends lots of traffic to high ticket offers. Next one, the Konnect unlimited access to everything you see above. So you're just going to be able to do it faster with more options. All right. So the downsell of this for $29 could be something that you want to consider. Syndication with 66 platforms. So you're really going to be reaching out to a very broad spectrum of platforms, increasing your branding, your recognition, and of course, helping you potentially get more sales as a result. Okay, so the downsell maybe at 27, you might want to consider that. Now, Konnect Agency. So sell Konnect accounts and keep 100% of the profits. Easy way to make money selling software products. Users get the agency license, the agency dashboard, done for you, sales page, email swipes, etc. Done for you, customer support for life. And the Konnect done for you webinar at 67, 97 downsell of 67. Done for you webinar materials to get your customers started immediately. Okay, and the reseller rights. If you want to sell it as your own, you get 100% of the whole funnel. Okay, so again, for the downsell of 47, that might be something you want to consider. Now, I don't really understand the difference between the agency OTO3 and OTO5. So I would suggest maybe don't get that. If you want to get the reseller rights, then go with that. Or you can just find out more information through Dan and Eves about what the difference is. I don't want to mislead you on what OTO3 does, because it sounds kind of similar to OTO5. So I like the unlimited, and I really like the OTO2, the downsell, syndication with the 66 platforms. You're really going to shoot up through the algorithms, and you're going to be really just catching up or being at the top of the pages, okay, with these 66 platforms, okay? And guys, just to summarize, so you're going to get the comprehensive webinar software, the social media syndication, NextGen software to revolutionize the webinar industry, auto mails the hottest converting offers, end-to-end, one-time fee, not like those monthly fees, very newbie friendly. And my friends, you're going to get another webinar software as well with the done for you templates, training, conferences, etc. Byte, how you can make 300 to 500 daily with crypto regardless of what the price is. Okay, no investing, no putting your money in, right? TweetX, underground CPA profits, my mega bonus bundle of 100 bonuses. You're getting the exclusive 20 exclusive bonuses from the vendor, plus the other bonuses that are located on the sales page as well, guys. All of that for $15 when you get that coupon, and then you can consider getting the OTO1 or the OTO2, perhaps the reseller OTO5 as well. Guys, I really wanted to show you what it looked like. If I do get it before it goes live, the webinar, I'm going to make another video and just attach it towards the end of this. But these guys, I know Dan, and Dan has done a lot of great products before. He's trustworthy, so I believe it's going to be another very good product. Also, all of my bonuses, you can't go wrong. All right, my friends, this wraps up my review on Konnect. I hope you got some value from it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you're always notified of upcoming reviews and other ways to make money online, guys. Again, you can check out those links of how to be an elite affiliate, and my free training as well is down in the description, as well as this bonus page will be down in the description too. All right, guys, best of luck on your journey. Keep grinding. Any questions, do leave me a comment, and I promise to get back to you as soon as I can. Take care. Talk to you soon. This is Kieran Hogg signing off.